Hi, this is Kumar Thapar. I'm a fashion communication student at Pearl Academy. Today, I'm going to talk about my learning experience during the pandemic and how I kept up my levels of efficiency. Ta-da! Let's unwrap to see what's inside. Check this out. My college has sent us customized home kits to make sure that we do not miss out on our practical lab experience. While online classes, master classes and juries are great, I believe hands-on learning has its own charm. Thanks to this home kit, now I can experience the campus life while at the comfort of my home. I'm a fashion communication student, so photography and videography are a very integral part of my curriculum. In my home kit, I have a tripod which is used as a stand for your mobile phone or your camera. Over here, we have a stabilizer which comes in handy for video shoots. Here I have a LED light which includes both cool and warm shades. This is a collar mic which you can plug into your mobile phone or your camera using this 3.5mm jack. And here we have a phone grip. So it fits right on top of your tripod to make sure your camera is absolutely stable. I will now set up my home studio for all my college projects. That was fun. I can't wait to start exploring this space to do all the things that I've been missing out on. Been missing college for a while now. I miss the time I used to spend in the labs. I think this is the perfect solution for these challenging times. So I'm gonna go explore my home studio now. Gonna try out some new product shoots for my new assignment. All you Pearlites out there, set up your home studios and share your experience of the campus at home. Ciao.